to use Google Sheets to plot a linear regression. I've personally never done a Google Docs tutorial before, but it seems like most of you are comfortable with using Google Docs, so I'll have a go at it. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your data is typed into your spreadsheet, and you will save a little time if you have concentration in the first column and absorbance in the second column, just because Google Sheets will figure out that you want concentration plotted on the horizontal and absorbance on the vertical. So after you have that, your data typed in, you want to select both columns. And after doing so, there's a little icon that you want to select. It says Insert Chart. You want to click on that. And then there's a tab that you want to select after that. It says Chart Types. You want to click that. And then you have to scroll down to where it says Scatter. So after selecting that, you'll see that Google Sheets figures out what you want plotted where. It has your data plotted in a more or less a linear regression. You also want to customize your graph with titles. So we're plotting absorbance, so you want to say maybe absorbance of copper 2+ solution. You don't have to give it this title. You also want to make sure that you have your axis labeled for the horizontal. So we're plotting concentration. So concentration of copper 2+. You also want to make sure that you have a title for the vertical axis. This would be absorbance, right? Absorbance. Typically, we include the units of our axes as well, usually in parentheses on the axis title. The last thing you want to do is you want to scroll down to where it says trend line. So we're plotting a linear regression, so you want to click that. And then the absolute last thing that you want to do is you want to select where it says custom label. You want to show the equation. And the equation is important, and I'll leave that for you to figure out why we need it. But we talked about that in class. So you want to insert, and that's pretty much the whole process.